Hello everyone, welcome back to Mango and Coast Patterns, your destination to all things swimwear. My name is Marcy and I'll be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to make amazing swimsuits. In today's video, we are sewing the Cancun pattern. This style is a sliding string bikini bottom that is perfect for tanning. The coverage is minimal and you can adjust the coverage in the front and the back to your liking. Here are the supplies you will need to sew this pattern. If you don't have a serger, that's okay. A regular sewing machine and a zigzag stitch will do. If you need swimwear fabric and elastic, I got you covered. Check out my online shop at the link down below. Now let's get started. This tutorial is quick, it's easy, and it's going to look amazing. Let's dive in. First, I will sew the front self with back self, right sides facing each other at the gussets. And same with the lining pieces, front with back. Next, place the lining over the self, right sides facing each other. Serge the following areas. Next, serge both leg holes. Serge a 1/4 inch rubber elastic onto the leg holes. Please note that you are sewing the elastic onto the dominant side of your garment. In this case, the dominant side is the printed side. Apply the elastic with zero tension. Serge the elastic until you reach the corners. Now, cut the elastic on a slant. Flip the garment right side out and pop the corners out like so. Next, serge the waist for both the front and the back. Fold over the waistlines. The edge of the waist should fold a little over 1/2 inch to join the corners. To create your strap channels, use a straight stitch at the very edges. Let's make the straps. You have two options, a continuous strap or tie-side straps. Fold the straps in half lengthwise and serge. Next, serge elastic onto the straps with zero tension. Using a loop turner, pull the straps right sides out. The last step is to pull the straps through the channels. For the continuous strap, place one end inside of the other. Open one end gently with a tweezer. And slide the other strap in with an overlap of 3/4 of an inch. Sew 2 vertical straight stitches in this area. Hide this seam by pulling it to the center back of the bikini bottom. The Cancun bikini bottom is now completed. This is how it looks like finished. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What swimwear pattern would you like to see next? Comment down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest sewing adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy sewing!